Hello, this is Monique, and today we're going to review how to view your class schedule using CUNYFirst. CUNYFirst is useful for all things class related, including class registration, dropping, swapping, or adding classes, as well as viewing your transcripts. All this can be found under the Student Center of the CUNYFirst menu. Now, upon clicking Student Center, you will be greeted with a wealth of information, starting with your academics right here, which will pertain all your information that has to do with your classes, including adding, dropping, and swapping classes, which will be found under Search, Plan, or Enroll. Your academics, which will be your entire college career. Other academics, which will be where you find your unofficial transcripts. But more importantly, over here in this big old box will be your weekly schedule, including the dates, times, locations for each class on your schedule. Now, unfortunately, it might be a little hard to visualize all these classes and what it will look like for you weekly. So you can click the text down here, where it says weekly schedule, and upon doing so, you will be greeted with a calendar view. This calendar view allows you to actually visualize what your daily schedule will look like for your classes. If you click on the buttons on the top, you can view previous weeks or your upcoming week, as seen here. And this is what my upcoming week is going to look like as an example. Now, if you scroll to the bottom, you will see a class, in my case down here, that is not on the schedule. You might have this too. Don't worry about it. All this means is that there's no live meeting for the class. This means that the class is asynchronous. The other classes have a set time for their live meetings, which will generally be on Blackboard, but might be on Zoom or something else. Those are called synchronous classes. Now, if the attendance is mandatory for the synchronous classes, that's entirely up to your instructor, and for that reason, I suggest you always check your syllabus before trying to skip out on classes. And there you have it. I hope that helped.